The French Revolution, which started in 1789, is one of the most significant events in world history. Imagine living in a time where the gap between the rich and the poor was so huge that it felt almost impossible to bridge. The monarchy, led by King Louis XVI, was in serious debt, largely due to wars, including France's involvement in the American Revolution, while ordinary people were struggling with high taxes, famine, and rising bread prices. The revolution didn't just come out of nowhere. It was the result of deep social, economic, and political tensions. People were tired of being treated as if they didn't matter. As the revolution gathered momentum, the storming of the Bastille became a symbol of the people rising up against oppression. What followed was a whirlwind of changes: the fall of the monarchy, the rise of radical groups, and, unfortunately, a terrifying period known as the Reign of Terror, where thousands were executed in the name of protecting the revolution. But the revolution wasn't just about chaos. It sparked the ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity, ideas that would ripple across the world. For France, the revolution completely reshaped society, abolishing the feudal system and giving birth to a republic. But beyond France, the revolution's impact was global. It inspired revolutions in places like Haiti, Latin America, and even Europe, showing the power of ordinary people standing up for their rights. It also made a lasting mark on political thought, influencing the development of modern democracy. The French Revolution wasn't perfect, and it came with its own set of problems, but its ideals of freedom and justice laid the foundation for many of the democratic movements we see today. So, while it may have started in one country, its effects can still be felt all around the world.